What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the continuation of the video series that I'm doing. I have 3 accounts tied up together. Each of them is a 50k account. I got in a serious drawdown and I made my way out of the drawdown, and now this is day 7, May 20th, and I'm trying to pass these evaluation accounts all 3 together and try to get a payout from all of them. So this is the journey that we're taking together. So in this video I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what trades I took this day that got me $215. It's not that much, but it's still profit. I was not planning on taking any setups anyway, but I took a small scalp and it made me $200. So I'm gonna go ahead and review the trade idea with you really quick, guys. So coming into the day, I was bullish because we're trading all-time high again. This is Monday, and this is the 15 minutes starting from 8:30, which is my time. This is market open, and I missed a really nice setup that we had in here. The market kept going down and lower and lower. First of all, on the 4 hours, we came and retested pre-market open. We came and retested this bullish fair value gap and respected it to the tick 50%. So after that, the price kind of pushed up, and I was looking specifically for this inverse fair value gap, and I was trying to take this inverse fair value gap. But the reason why I missed this trade is because Topstep X was down and the website was like missing a lot of data on the chart, and I was hesitant on taking the trade idea because these were not there. Those candles were not there at all. It was just blank, and whenever I refreshed the page, it would give me the current candle and the movement of it currently and leave all of this empty and unfilled. So I was hesitant on taking any trades because I was afraid on getting in a trade and not being able to get out of it and close it, even if I'm wrong or right. I was afraid, so I did not take this one, and the price was moving way too fast here. You can also judge it by the candle. After the candle closed, it closed all the way up there, so that proves to you that this candle was pretty fast and had a lot of momentum and volume. And you can see the candle that follows it right after, there's no pullback, there's nothing, and we just kept aiming for that previous day high. So as you can see, or not the previous day high, but the all-time high, which is the previous day high, which was right on here, that the high that we made on the 16th. So that's why the reason why I did not take this trade. There also was a really good trade idea on here. There was an SMT between this high and this high. Nasdaq did sweep this high, and S&P, as you can see, did not. Between this high, let me mark it, and this high, I did not take this idea. There was a bullish fair value gap in here. We inversed it and we kept dumping lower for these equal lows down there, and eventually this low inside of this bullish fair value gap. But I was not around the chart, so I took a small scalp idea in here. I was not planning on taking any trades after hitting the ultimate target, which is making a new high and going for that previous day high that we made. But I just was pretty upset that I missed a really good move, which could like get me out of like drawdown and make me a lot of profit. We moved more than $100 with this move with no pullback. So I was kind of upset, emotional maybe, but I did not get in the habit of over leveraging and over trading and getting in setups that are not correct, and just getting in FOMO just because I want to get any profit. I waited for a valid setup to show up, which was this bearish fair value gap. We inversed it. Once we inversed it, I got on, I think that was my fill, but you're supposed to get in a little bit lower. It doesn't really matter. So I got in, and the first to trade, actually I did lose because we did close right below that bearish fair value gap and kind of like respecting it. I had my stop loss like right here, which was for $12.50, and I think I got in like a little bit light, and I think I lost 180 bucks. But after that, after this losing trade, I saw, and I wasn't planning on taking anything else because I assumed that we're gonna start going in consolidation mode, but that did not happen. And I saw this big momentum candle going up, and I did see that bullish SMT that we created between the S&P and the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq did not sweep the low of day, while S&P did sweep the low of day. So to me, when the weakest pair sweeps and does the SMT, this to me is a really good signal for me to get in that position. So I saw that big momentum going up again, and we invalidated this bearish fair value gap. So I jumped in again long with a small risk as well, targeting this high. I did not go for any larger move than that because it's Monday. We already hit the target of the day, which is the ultimate high. And I mean, that was the play of the day, guys. That was the play of the day, and this was the reversal going down. And I was not trying to push that day, and I was not trying to push any trades idea or anything. So I got on here targeting $15.25. My stop loss was tight, and I ended up getting, I think, $300 or something. So I think I made on that day, I made overall for today, I made like 215 bucks, which is not a big of a deal. It's not a lot, but I was not planning on taking anything else after we hitting the target of the day. So having that said, having a small scalp after hitting the target of the day, it's not really a bad thing. And that was it for today. So if you like the video, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll update you for tomorrow's kind of like trade recap or my updates. I'm trying to pass all these 3 accounts and get a payout from it. So if you want to follow my journey and you made it to the end of the video, you might as well subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with my status on these 3 accounts. Thank you all. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.